Hello, thank you for calling Paws and Claws Veterinary Clinic. I see you're calling from a number we have on file. Is this Sarah Mitchell?
Hi, yeah.
Perfect. Thank you for confirming. Your last visit was on February 18th, 2026 for viscous cruciate ligament repair surgery. How can I help today?
I just need to book a follow-up.
I can see Biscuit had surgery on February 18th, 2026. Follow-up consultations within 90 days are included at no extra cost. Let me check availability for you. What date and time would you prefer for the appointment?
Do you have Wednesday at 10 a.m.?
I have Wednesday at 10 a.m. available. I'll book Biscuit in for the follow-up appointment then. Just to confirm, is there a specific vet you would like to see?
Is Dr. Patel available?
Let me check if Dr. Patel is available at that time. One moment, please. Checking availability. Yes, Dr. Patel is available on Wednesday at 10 a.m. Shall I go ahead and book that appointment for Biscuit?
Yeah, please.
Okay. I've booked Biscuit in for a follow-up appointment on Wednesday at 10 a.m. with Dr. Patel. I'll send you a confirmation SMS with the details shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Do you guys do dental care?
Yes, we do offer dental care services. Professional dental scaling starts from $120 depending on your dog's size. Let me connect you with one of our team members to discuss this in more detail.
Okay, thanks. When the call is answered, the conversation moves from the AI agent to the live agent. That live agent can be on any phone system. In this case, the agent is a Microsoft Teams user benefiting from a dedicated Teams application with enhanced features and capabilities to better assist the caller. For agents who aren't on Microsoft Teams, the contextual information can still be passed using APIs or SIP headers where supported. Right away, the agent sees everything from the conversation so far, including the caller's name, the pet's name, breed, assigned vet, and a summary of what the caller needs. There's no need to repeat the information. The agent can simply pick up where the conversation left off. And if the agent needs further detail on pricing, that's available for them right here as well. We can see a CRM view embedded directly in the app. No need to switch systems. Here we're using the dynamic CRM, but any CRM works. And you'll remember that we texted an appointment confirmation to the caller. Here's what Biscuit's owner received. Okay, so that's how Voca CIC connects AI and human agents in one continuous experience, from first hello to resolution. Thanks for watching.